In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your iPhone front camera not working. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, it's actually really easy to go ahead and fix this. Let's say you're trying to use your camera, it's not working. The easiest thing to do, it might just be a bug. So if you have it in your app selector, go ahead and swipe off it and open it again, see if that works. The second thing you want to do is go over to your settings application, scroll down, you're going to see a lot of things, but go to screen time, which is right under focus. From here, scroll down again, and I'm going to see content and privacy restrictions. So click on that. Then you're going to see allowed apps and features. Click on that. And then basically you want to make sure that camera right there is enabled so that it works properly. And the next thing you want to do, let's say you're using your phone and stuff, so just go to privacy and security. Then what you can do is scroll down. You're going to see camera as one of the options. Make sure any app has the permission to use your camera like so. And the absolute final thing you can do is go to apps. Let's say you're trying to use your camera on a certain application. So for example, let me just choose ChatGPT. You want to make sure that camera is enabled right there, and then you should be good to go. If all of that doesn't work, press the volume up button and the power button together, hold them down, and then slide to power off, and then restart your phone, and then you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.